Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies across the region this morning. Seeing some returns on the radar and taking a look at the radar this morning, you can see we do have some light returns on the radar this morning moving across the peninsula. Not seeing much of that reach the ground though, so we do have some colder air across the region giving us some drier low levels, and that's the case in place this morning. And we'll see a possibility of a few sprinkles this morning across the region, but not going to see much precipitation across the area today if we do see any at all. Overall today we'll have mostly cloudy to overcast skies in general. That slight chance of a sprinkle this morning, a possibility of a sprinkle or a rain and mixed flurry for later this evening, with those chances this evening only run about 15%, so very slight. And move into our winds. We're going to see breezy conditions today. Going to see our winds gusting near 25 knots, so could see a wind advisory today across the region. And no chances of lightning today as we're into the cold season of the year. Seeing our current surface analysis, we do have some reflectivity across the northeast states and the Mid-Atlantic, not seeing much of that reach the ground besides over the mountains, as we do have some drier low-level air across the region with that colder air mass in place. As far as our surface analysis goes, we'll see high pressure building in for later on Thursday after we have another weak system moving through Thursday morning. Our current observation, we have a broken deck at 4,500 feet, overcast deck at 6,500 feet. We have northwesterly winds at 7 knots, temperature 40 degrees, and relative humidity at 82%. So taking a quick look at our satellite imagery this morning, see lots of cloud cover across the region. That's going to be the case for the morning hours. Then we'll see some more breaks in the clouds during the afternoon. And taking a look at the HRMA model for today, you can see this afternoon we'll see more just some isolated to very isolated sprinkles across the region. And that's going to most likely be after about 2 o'clock if we see that here at Wallops. Since we move in the evening hours, could see a mixed rain or flurry across the region with this last bit of reflectivity moving through here on the HRMA. You can see here has one moving through around 11 o'clock across the central Delmarva. So don't be surprised you see a few wet snowflakes mixed in today. I'm not expecting any accumulation, of course, as temperatures will be well above freezing. As we look into our risk chart for today, we'll see a high of 47 degrees, low tonight around 30, so a cold start to our Thursday. We'll see breezy conditions during the afternoon, northwesterly winds sustained 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 25 knots, and we'll see those winds calm down tomorrow morning. We'll have that slight chance of a sprinkle this morning, and then very slight chances of a sprinkle this afternoon, and a very slight chance of a sprinkle or a mixed sprinkle and flurry for the evening hours. As we look into our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions expected today. Our ceiling should be at or greater than 3,000 feet. Slight chance we do see, very slight chance we do see that shower this afternoon or that flurry mixed with some rain for the late afternoon, the evening hours. As far as tomorrow morning goes, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. An additional weak system moving through the region going to give us more mid and upper level cloudiness across the region. Our tides are about 1 foot above normal. Looking at Thursday and a Friday, green charts across the board. Thursday, mostly cloudy, chilly, and slightly breezy, high of 46. Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, low of 35. And Friday, we'll see partly cloudy and about seasonable conditions, high around 57 degrees. So a little bit warmer on Friday to end the work week. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.